is up, everyone? Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I'm bringing y'all my November daily goodie box. I literally just got this today. It's much easier if I just record when I get it, and that way I'm not tempted to open it and look at it. I don't remember what's in here, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Whole bunch of goodies. Let's go ahead and dig in. The first one is Bare Republic SPF 30 Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. New sheer finish, pretty big size, water resistant for 40 minutes, and it's a sheer cream to powder formula. Shire City Herbals Fire Cider Apple Cider Vinegar Wellness Tonic with the Mother and Wildflower Honey flavor. I have had some of this. I actually used up my bottle quite some time ago. Works good for me. Green Goo, Plants with Purpose, Free to Breathe. What is this? Helps temporarily relieve symptoms. Eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender, rosemary. Relieve symptoms. Cold, flu, allergies, soothing, congestion, cough relief, good night muscles. Okay. Well, it definitely smells amazing. And looks... What's this one? Rejuva Minerals Natural Eye and Brow Pencil. Easy Glide On Twist Up. And the shade is Black Sapphire. Ooh, I love the packaging. So pretty. But yeah, love that packaging. And then nice twist up. And then the gold piece at the bottom is actually the sharpener, so that's really nice. Vanilla, nutmeg, cardamom, GoodLight natural candles. 2 ounces, burn time up to 15 hours. Love the packaging, super freaking cute. That smells so good too. I'll really get the nutmeg, but looks really nice. I can't wait to burn this one. I'm probably gonna burn it today. CBD, this is ShiKai, the brand of ShiKai. CBD dry skin formula cream with borage oil, patch tested for purity and potency. It's 375 milligrams of CBD. Oh, there we go. For reference, it doesn't smell like anything. Electrolyte Beverage and Berry Bliss. We keep things like this in regular rotation at my house and just in the family in general because of overheating, overworking. So Jack and Jill hand sanitizer. This is so freaking cute. My kids are gonna love this. Look at that packaging. Oh my gosh. How freaking cute is that? Love that. Love that. They're gonna love that. Looks like you actually get 2. So there's one in it already. And then you get the refill, which that is so nice. Yeah, that is so nice. Love that. Love that. And then pamphlets. There are 2 this time. One is for the eyebrow pencil, and it just talks a little bit about it. Code DGB for 15% off. Excludes kits, 1 code per order. And then there's the front. Pretty. I love these types of little pamphlets. And then this one is the Shire City Herbals. And then this is how to make a vinaigrette with that product. And then here's some on the back. So yeah, that was all of my November daily goodie box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all on my next one. Bye everyone.